give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fifths, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. You guys are seeing me. When you guys watching this, will be Monday, or if you guys catching up late, then it will be just a random day, just another day. I am just starting the vlog. Look at who's stepping in the house. Look, 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 look. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Stepping in, stepping in. He's stepping in and the kids are hiding. Look, 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 look at this, you guys. Look at them hiding. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on right now. You guys gonna see exactly what's happening. This is the typical how the evening goes. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You hear me? Tired. Tired, pop down. Why you and I wearing the same color today?
Hi guys! It's the end of the day. It's the end of the week at work.
That sounds like a marathon he just ran.
Marathon in my head. Hey, pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, why you so pretty like this? Ça va?
Oui, papa.
Pourquoi t'as les chaussures? Tu vas quelque part?
Oui.
Tu vas où?
Maman, on go put on the clothes.
Hein? Tu as les chaussures? C'est toi?
Say hello to Fifths, Sarah. Sarah, say hello to Fifths. Look.
One.
Where you going?
And put on clothes.
The other one is hiding. Look at this. Look at this. Go find your son.
Well, you only have one height.
Look at this. Look at
I would have said that, but Sarah is...
Sarah, give him away. Sarah, give him away.
C'était pareil pour maman, elle est tombée dans le panneau en fait. Je me suis cachée là et elle croyait que j'étais là, donc elle est tombée dans le panneau.
Tu nous amènes quelque part?
On va à Pizza Hut.
Oh.
Babe, go and change. We're waiting on you.
Why do I have to change?
Cause I know you. You're gonna say you want to change before you go and put on something relaxed.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm tired. So I'll just
Okay.
drive and ask you.
You're funny. Anyway, you guys. So, where was I before I was rudely interrupted by my family? So everybody's ready and heading out. It's the end of the day, so you guys missed the entire day. Tyler, stop laughing like that. I went to school today. Danielle stayed with the kids, so it was the last day of Danny and the kids. You guys didn't see her, but she was home with the kids today. I can't thank Danielle enough. I bring her home a little gift, and just to show my gratitude. Yeah, so right now we're heading out because after this long week, I feel for pizza. So we are heading to Domino's because I love the garlic bread. There's a cheesy bread at Domino's that Pizza Hut have garlic bread too, but it tastes completely different from the one that Domino's have. So we're heading to Domino's. Also to take the kids out of the house. The kids haven't been in the house all week for vacation, though they haven't been bored, but they've been in. Just to go out and spend time as a family. So that's what we're doing right now. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay love, be kind to one another. Tyler, come and say hello to the faves. You haven't said hello. So we are about to head out.
And let's go for a walk. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today is Friday, 28th October. That means Monday is Halloween.
Monday is Halloween, and Monday and Tuesday is vacation, is holiday here, so I will not be going to school. I am on a 4-day break. Phew. And today I have an evaluation at school, and I wasn't so happy at the end of it because I didn't get the enough time to finish up, but I think I did okay. I will explain to you guys all of that, but yeah, I think I did okay. So let's see when I get back the paper. Yeah, so I am about to head out right now, so I'll catch you guys on the road. I'm going to pick up the pizza in here. Oh, I almost missed it. So we are at Domino's. Going in. Thought we were gonna sit and eat, but nah, we are gonna puss. Je vais ici pour Ludovic.
Ludovic.
Ouais.
Ça sort dans
Ah, ok.
Ça fait 32 €.
Ah, je vais payer 25 avec ça. Hey guys, look at all this goodness. Look at all this goodness. So we take which one? I think this one, and the kids took Hawaiian, but with cheese, pineapple and chicken. I'm not seeing it on there, but of course I need ketchup. I'm not ketchup, pepper. Who eats pepper with their pizza? Me. Tell me if you guys eat pepper with your pizza or no. People in France think people of color is crazy to have pepper with your pizza, but it's the best thing ever, pepper on your pizza, especially this one that Pizza Hut provides. So good. Yes, the good stuff. The cheesy bread. I got 2 of these, and then we got the Hawaiian for the kiddos, and dun dun dun, the bacon creamy for us.
Can I have also some of these?
Sure, you can have whatever you want, but first we're gonna have the cheese bread.
I got to be.
T'es content là?
t'asseoir là-bas.
Moi, j'ai un jeu, moi.
Tu mets tes pieds sur le mien.
Ah ouais. Ah, c'est 10.
Et à 3, il est en l'air. Tu mets des coups de poing tout seul. Pourquoi tu fais ça?
Moi, je viens de traquer la main, tu sais.
Petite tête, regarde.
Ouverture de la ceinture porte la porte de la blessure.
Sarah, elle va. Je pouvais te craquer la langue, ça serait bien. Et la langue, elle n'a pas craqué. Est-ce qu'elle a le droit de faire ça? Ah, fini.
What are we doing? We're cutting the pumpkin. Sarah is excited about this pumpkin cutting.
How I want it to be.
Oh, you want the eye go up?
Yes.
Ah.
Now I'm going to try to do my mouth.
Honey, you can start the knife from doing this. So you can, while you're eating your chocolate bread, you can figure out.
Okay,
Turn on the kettle. We're doing pumpkin carving.
Now,
Oh, you just want a straight mouth?
no.
Tyler is doing his pumpkin shape while Sarah and I start cutting the pumpkin. We're gonna cut the pumpkin, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is the knife on this thing? Alright, there we go. You guys can see tie. We're gonna cut it, right?
I need to do a nose.
If you want. But lanterns don't normally have nose. Well, if you want, you can do a nose. There's no rules. So first we have to cut the pumpkin. Then we gotta open the pumpkin and clean it out. Oh!
But do I-
Look at Sarah. It's pumpkin. Touch it.
Mama,
Yeah, it's a pumpkin seed. It's
can't
okay.
this be the
Touch it.
eyebrow?
Yes, it's the eyebrow. No. Yes, it can be the eyebrow. So what you want to do? Give it an eye here?
Yes.
Okay, come to the... Oh, jeez, die. Okay. Touch it, Sarah. It's a pumpkin seed. It's okay. Don't be scared, okay? It's a pumpkin seed. She's like, I'm not so sure about this. Okay, we need to get something to not mess up the place too much. We are carving our pumpkin
For Halloween.
Halloween. Now we have to keep this because we have to cover it back, okay?
Okay.
Right, Sarah?
And the cover.
Huh?
The cover.
What cover?
The cover of this.
Look on the bottom. It's not on it?
No. Look, Dad, make a nose.
Ty, make a nose. Oh, jeez, Ty. So I have to cut out all of these things?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What's wrong? I want it.
I'm getting all the dirty work.
Can I help you?
When you guys get older, we're going to start have a pumpkin carving competition, the 4 of us. To see who carved the best pumpkin.
Can you cut the pumpkin? I can cut my pumpkin.
Wait, no. Mama will cut your pumpkin. I'm not giving you no knife. So Mama can open it for you, okay? And you can scrape out the inside.
How scrape it out?
I'm going to give you a spoon and scrape out the seeds.
Alex?
It's done. You have to cut out his mouth now?
Yeah!
This. Alright, there goes Sarah carving.
Hello, Gwan. You got the mama pumpkin.
Yeah, Mama cut the
Okay,
pumpkin.
you look like a boiling soup.
What? Tyler, you're only gonna... Tyler!
What? I need the scissors, I told you.
You're only the lot of scissors side.
I told you. Emma, I'm gonna Papa go for barbecue.
No, Papa not.
No, Tata going to have
Papa making
hamburger. But I think I can do this.
You guys, look at the kids and their pumpkin. Tyler, it actually turned out nice, your own. Come and look it on the camera. Come, Ty, come and look. So this one Sarah did and this one Tyler did.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Go, stand beside it. Stand, go, Ty, stand beside your pumpkin. Look. Do like Ty, Sarah. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look.